Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5 controller. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 controller joystick isn't responding, it can be frustrating. This issue often arises from wear and tear or a fault within the joystick mechanism itself. If left unresolved, it can hinder your gaming experience and lead to further issues with your controller. To tackle this problem, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement joystick module. Start by ensuring your controller is powered off and remove any batteries if applicable. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of the controller. There are 4 screws to remove, so keep them safe as you will need them later. Next, gently pry open the controller using the plastic opening tool, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once open, locate the joystick module. It is usually found at the center of the controller and is connected via a small ribbon cable. Gently disconnect this cable by pulling it from the socket. Now, unscrew the joystick module from the controller, noting the type of screws used. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the module is removed, take your new joystick and reverse the process. Secure the new module with the screws, reconnect the ribbon cable, and ensure everything is aligned correctly. Before sealing the controller back up, it's a good idea to test the new joystick to ensure it's functioning properly. If everything is working as it should, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are secure and screws are tightened. Lastly, power on your controller and check that the joystick is responding as expected. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to keep your controller clean and handle it with care during use. Avoid dropping it or exposing it to moisture, as these factors can lead to damage over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.